Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Euro Yen, I've been saying that it likely is going to go up to the 123, and if it goes up there and then breaks this structure right here, then that is the confirmation I would need to see that the wave B is complete. Now, the whole thing is we don't really know that it's complete unless it does that. It could possibly go up, bounce from the 123, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up. That's why I just take it one wave at a time and I allow the market to tell us when it's time to start looking for trades in the opposite direction. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we've been slowly moving our structure up as the market just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. For me, the 2 hour structure is right here. That's the structure break that would turn me into a seller. But I definitely don't see a break of structure. I think that it's going to go up and hit that Fibonacci for the daily. So I would still be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. I would still look at every move I see to the downside as nothing more than a possible pullback within an uptrend and nothing more than a possible opportunity to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.